All right. Oh wait. Something's not right. Boss, you need to look at this.
What is it?
There's only 190 countries left on Earth. Look at the map.
Oh, that's not good.
We need to request the United States president.
Okay, I'll get the phone call. Emergency action notification has been issued for the United States and District of Columbia, D.C. Urgent attention required. Pay attention on this screen. We have received alarming reports indicating the sudden disappearance of 7 countries. The circumstances surrounding this event are unclear, but it poses a significant threat to global stability and security. All citizens are urged to remain vigilant and cooperative with authorities. Monitor official channels for updates and follow instructions carefully. Prepare for potential disruptions to transportation, communication, and essential services. Stay connected with loved ones and neighbors, and assist those in need. This situation requires a united and resilient response from all. Please stand by. This emergency alert system activation will give you instructions. Please stand by. The following message is transmitted at the request of the President of the United States. It has said that if you see land disappearing, it is a sign that the United States is disappearing. It might be possible for the United States to become the last country remaining but unconfirmed. If your country is still visible, try to stay tuned to your local news channel for further information. Please stand by. This is a National Information Center statement. The following message is transmitted at the request by NASA. It has been reported that Europe has completely disappeared. These are the following countries in Europe that got disappeared, but it's not limited to Albania, Andorra, Armenia, Austria, Azerbaijan, Belarus, Belgium, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Bulgaria, Croatia, Cyprus, Czech Republic, Denmark, Estonia, Finland, France, Georgia, Germany, Greece, Hungary, Iceland, Ireland, Italy, Kazakhstan, Kosovo, Latvia, Liechtenstein, Lithuania, Luxembourg, Malta, Moldova, Monaco, Montenegro, Netherlands, North Macedonia, Norway, Poland, Portugal, Romania, Russia but not all. San Marino, Serbia, Slovakia, Slovenia, Spain, Sweden, Switzerland, Turkey, Ukraine, United Kingdom, Vatican City. Rest in peace to that many people who died when Europe disappeared. Anyways, tune into NOAA Weather Radio or your local news station for future updates.
Maraming ulat tungkol sa biglaang pagkawala ng mga bansa. Ang mga ulat na ito ay sa NASA. Europe at Africa ay nawawala. Ang kaganapang ito ay makabuluhang banta sa pandaigdigang seguridad, tumutok sa mga lokal na media outlet at mga mapagkukunan sa internet para sa higit pa mga update.